Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide and seek in Among Us. Hide and seek is a custom game mode in Among Us where the imposters announces themselves at the beginning of the game and turns off the lights. If you want to start a hide and seek mode in Among Us, then watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, launch open your Among Us application and make sure that you are logged in. Now, go ahead and tap on the online option from the main interface. Go ahead and select any one option from the display. In my case, I'm gonna choose Create Game button. Go ahead and select your filter, map, game type, and the maximum number of players. If you want to enable hide and seek mode, tap on the game type drop down and select hide and seek. After you are done making all of the selections, tap the confirm button. In order to play hide and seek or host a hide and seek game on Among Us, that is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.